Hello, it's day 2, January 11th, my vlog, and we're here after going to the No Frills store to get some pizza. I believe the pepperoni thin and crispy was $3.33 each.
47 cents.
And the flatbreads, of which we got kale and beet squash for chicken, bacon, and caramelized onion was $3.47.
Yeah, so we are going to cook it now for lunch, and then we are going to try it, let you know.
It's into the oven.
Yeah, we're going to cook it. This one cooks at 450 for about 9 to 11 minutes. And this one 450 as well. Same thing, 9 to 10 minutes. So we're going to cook the things, and then we are going to try, let you know. What do we think? $3.47, pretty reasonable.
So we got the oven on 450. I think that's showing. I don't know. Maybe my temperature thing on the oven's too dim for you to see. Yeah, we're gonna throw it in there, and once that heats up, it's not heated up yet. So, and then we'll see how it tastes. All right. So we're gonna open up the box. Take out the pizza. It's in plastic. Take it out of the plastic. And then we got a pizza stone that we're gonna put it on. I like to rearrange the pepperoni so that it's not all bunched up. So everywhere gets the same amount of pepperoni. And then we'll put it in the oven for the amount of time required. So put on the timer for 9 minutes to set. Is that right? 9 to 10 minutes. So I'll try 9 minutes, see what it looks like. All right. So I cut the pizza up into eight pieces there.
It's very hot. You can hear the cheese like still sizzling. Ooh, yummy.
So let's I'm gonna get it on a plate, take a taste, and then I'll report back after I take a bite, and you know, and then I'll let you know what this one tastes like. I don't think it tastes like real pepperoni pizza.
Not the one from the pizza shop, that's for sure.
Yeah. All right. So we'll be back. Or actually, why don't you just put a piece of pizza on the plate? There we go. Are you going to take it all? All right, here we go. All right, I'm gonna. Yeah. All right, taking a bite.
It's really good. The crust is really thin, so it's kind of crunchy. Cheese is good. The pepperoni, it tastes actually pretty good, surprisingly. Yeah. So it's definitely a good option when you need something quick.
Yep. That was like 10 minutes.
Very quick.
Let's see. President's Choice, pepperoni, thin and crispy. The pepperoni possibly tastes good because it says it's sprinkled with herbs.
Yeah, it definitely, you can taste it. The pepperoni is actually pretty tasty.
The thing that boggles my mind is it's a product of Germany. I didn't know Germany made pizza.
Yep. Well, apparently they make pretty good frozen pizza.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, and it's a good option for $3.40?
This one was $3.33.
Yeah, so that's a pretty good option. Yeah.
Yep. All right.
Quick and affordable.
I'm gonna get some pizza. So I'm gonna put the squash, kale, and beet flatbread in the oven now. And let's open up the box. Where does this one come from too? It says it's vegetarian. I imagine it's vegetarian. That's what it looks like when it comes out of the box, in the plastic. Alright, just a second here. So I'm going to take it out of the plastic here all the way. And I'll put it on my pizza stone. Okay. Now it says on this to 9 to 11 minutes. I'm going to try 10 because 10 seems to be a good number. This is a product of Germany too. I guess Germany makes a lot of pizzas and flatbreads. Put on the mitten. A mitten. We'll open up the oven. I'll put it in the oven and put on a timer for 10 minutes. So the timer's gone off on the beet and kale. So let's get the oven out of the oven here. Whoa, steamed up my glasses.
Oh, it looks yummy.
Yep.
Looks very crispy.
Crispy.
So this one is this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was it? Sweet squash, kale, and beet flatbread. I didn't know they had kale in Germany. I guess you learn something new every day. I'll turn off that timer. And she's going to cut it.
Oh, it's definitely crispy.
Ah.
Uh-oh. Maybe too crispy? Yeah, it may be too crispy.
Just have to cut it, don't have to kill it.
Wow, the edges are super crispy. Okay, I think it's done.
All right.
Let me choose. Okay, I'm gonna get this corner here. Looks pretty good.
Yep. Take a bite if you can.
Pretty hot. You can see it's steaming. I really want to burn my mouth, like.
Good?
Oh my god. This is so good. It's actually amazing. It's very different. And it's a little bit spicy, like I think like they are squash. I think that's what it is, squash. You can see like some maybe pepper on it, so it's a little bit heat. It's amazing. It's really good for $3.47.
$3.47 for the
and 11 minutes in the oven, right?
11 minutes in the oven.
Very
At 450.
Yeah, affordable, quick,
Yummy.
perfect. Yeah, let's eat.
All right, so we cooked the second pepperoni and the crispy. I'm not gonna cook this one. I'm stuffed, and we'll eat it another time. Chicken, bacon, caramelized. Chicken, bacon, and caramelized onion. Yeah, I'll cook that another time. Certainly looks good, but I got some pepperoni pizza to eat. Yep. End of vlog 2.
No, not.
I guess it wasn't in the part or vlog 2.
So we have to cook some food for the party today. But we have so we found that like we've got it at no frills as well. And so I was looking for something easy and affordable. It was $10, as you can obviously see. It's a breaded popcorn shrimp. Never had it before, so we are going to cook it now. Instructions: goes in the oven 425 for 10 to 12 minutes. So something easy. Again, like $10. It's not that bad. It's a pretty big bag. It's 908 grams. Yeah, so the brand, I'm not really sure.
It's just no name brand.
Yeah, like I guess because I bought it at No Frills, it must be their brand.
Dun, dun, dun. So she's putting tinfoil down on the pan.
Yeah, I'm just gonna just go like a baking sheet kind of here, like with sides, and it's pretty good because I'm gonna cook it the entire bag, but you see like there is a zip like a lock, kind of ziploc bag situation going on here. So if you're not gonna cook the entire bag, you can definitely
So if you just like
easily
want to make, some popcorn shrimp.
Yeah, but I'm going to cook the entire bag because I'm going to a party with a lot of people today. And so hopefully this may actually be a little bit too much.
Never too much.
But well, we'll see what happens. I guess it's never too much. I just hope that because it's like I was hoping to make like just a single layer. It's not gonna happen, I think. So hopefully it's still crispy. I'm trying to spread it as evenly as I can. So, and then let's see what happens. Hopefully it works.
So how long to put it in?
There was one
tried to
little buddy here trying to
stay in the
heat the oven. So we are going to put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes.
All right, open it up that bad boy and put it in.
The oven is preheated, so we're gonna put it in here. And let's see what happens. Hopefully it works because I really don't have anything else to take to the party.
So we gotta put the timer on for what? 10, 12 minutes?
Yep.
So 12 minutes?
Yeah, I would say so.
All right, let's wait 12 minutes. Well, the buzzer went off for on the shrimp.
Well, let's see how it looks like. So I'm just gonna get my mitten here. Wow, it sounds good. It's sizzling. Smells very good too. It looks pretty good, and I don't think it's soggy. It feels like it's let's turn this off. Let's turn this off as well. So it feels like it's pretty, like it's as crispy as it can be when you make it in the oven, right? So it's pretty hot now. I will try one, but let's see how it goes. I think I'm gonna get one here from the center. Probably I should have something so I don't,
like a spork.
so I don't burn my fingers. I'm gonna get one.
That's not a spork, that's a spoon.
Oh, but that will do. I'm gonna get one from the bottom, from like I think what would be the soggiest part of it. Now let's see. Because it's super hot, so gotta make sure that I don't burn my mouth. Okay. Yeah. It's good. Definitely is not deep fried. Good. It is a little bit soggy. The one that I just had. I'm gonna get one from the corner here. I think that may be because I put way too much in here. I'll have to make it again with less on the less at once, right? So let's see. Definitely the ones in the corner here are crispier than the one that I tried from the center. And so yeah, I will have to try this again and maybe put like a less amount on the baking sheet, and I think that will probably cook better. But today, because I don't have any time to do it in 2 batches, I really am rushing, so I had to put everything at the same time. But I will try it again. It definitely tastes good, and the ones in the corner are pretty crispy. So it's a good buy. $10, like 900 grams bag of popcorn shrimp. Pretty good.
Alright, so I guess that's it for today. Might be back later in the day with something else, I don't know. But
If I feel like it.
if I feel like it.
They're pretty busy today, so I have a basketball game to go now, and then a party to go later. So let's see.
And then I